Here are 10 bullet points for a captivating auditory journey exploring unique and overlooked sounds. From our daily surroundings, unearthing the domestic symphony, discovering the delicate clicks, creaks, and hums that compose the unique sonic signature of your home. From the refrigerator's soft thrum to the gentle settling of floorboards. The cadence of commute, tuning into the surprisingly varied rhythms of urban movement, the distant, overlapping car horns, the whisper of bicycle tires on pavement, or the specific whoosh of a bus passing by. Micro moments of kitchen life, delighting in the precise sounds of food preparation and consumption, like the sizzle of butter in a pan, the clink of ice in a glass, or the subtle crunch of a freshly bitten apple. Whispers of nature in the urban fabric, revealing the hidden chirps of city birds amidst the concrete, the rustle of leaves in a breeze down a busy street, or the unexpected gurgle of a nearby storm drain. The subtlety of human interaction, highlighting the quiet, often unconscious auditory cues that accompany our connections, the gentle rustle of clothes, a shared sigh, or the quiet focus of someone reading nearby. Rain's rich repertoire, experiencing the nuanced cadences of rainfall, from the soft patter on a window pane, to the rhythmic drumming on an awning, or the distant splash of a puddle. The unsung hum of technology, tuning into the gentle whirs, soft beeps, and subtle vibrations emitted by our ubiquitous yet often unheard devices. From a charging phone to a sleeping laptop fan. Footsteps and their stories. Listening to the distinct sounds of footsteps on various textures, the plush whisper of carpet, the resonant echo of hardwood, or the rhythmic crunch of gravel. Ambient narratives, recognizing how the background hum of daily life, like the distant chatter from a cafe or the drone of street construction, forms an evolving, often overlooked narrative of a place.